I have been developing wrinkles from smiling too much. Stop being so lovely. You drive me crazy. The more you go away from me, the closer I come towards you. I may not say a word, but my heart will always tell you that you are my dearest. I miss you, my love. This is a hug from me to you to lead you now. I am thinking of you and I'll talk. I have nothing to say you now. I have to say I adore you, my dear. Not only have you touched my mind, so I only think of you, but you have touched my heart in a way that I will never forget you. You are my mouse. I become even more convinced that we belong together whenever I look into your eyes. When I want to smile, I know exactly what to do. I just close my eyes and I think of you. I cherish you. Thinking of you makes me feel loved, cared for, and calm. Thank you for being myself. Harbor, I love you so much. If you feel you are in front of the well and that you cannot go future, just know that you are not alone and that there is someone who loves you to bits. I wake up in the morning with you as my first thought. I sleep every night you as my last thought. Why cannot I stop thinking of you? Your love is like the coolness of the river at night, the sunshine that comes from the sun during the day. You are the best with a perfect heart. I love you. A thousand reasons are not enough to make me feel loved and special. Only your touch and smile can do it in a blink. You are in my thoughts. I love you. You are worth more than a million. You are just one in a million. I adore you in a world of choice. You are my claim. Thank you for the warmth in your arms and your heart that makes me feel at home. I love and miss you. I will be your cloud up in the sky, and I will be a shoulder to lean on. I will be there for you when you call me. You are always on my mind. I cannot deny that a special person like you has taken a part of my heart away. I cannot wait to see you. My love thoughts of you will never stop being in my heart. I wish you all the best on this earth and hope you will be here soon. I love you when skies seem dark and times get dark and you don't know what to do. Just now you have a lover right here to support and help you through. I love you deeply. I have thousands of things to think about in my life, but the thought of you keeps coming back every second of the hour. Yes, we are imperfect, but true love will make everything so perfect. There are few things in life that I care for beyond life. The first is love, and the other is you. Adore you. My whole life changed the day I met you. You have made me a better person and pushed me to towards my goals. I am crazy about you. I never knew what love was until I met you when distance pulled us apart. I found out what true love is. You are my favorite person. People say loving you gives pain and is full of sacrifice, but I would rather go through pains and lots of sacrifice than not love you. I will do keep thinking of you as long as the earth exists. This is a beautiful promise I intend to keep till the earth is wiped away. Baby, you are always on my mind. I do not know what the are called the space between seconds, but I think of you always in those intervals. I love you so much. The more I think about you, the more I love you. The more I love you, the more I want to be with you, no matter how hard I try to make my mind off you. It only ends up thinking about you. The more I love you beyond the stars. You are my everyday inspiration, and you will always be on my mind and in my heart. I love you forever.